So the Four of Cups is the first card that came out after prayer and asking the spirit, angels, guides for energy, for you, collective. So somebody is dissatisfied. Uh, they may be in lack, but they're meditating and thinking about it. So let's see what the energy is, what spirit has to say. First thing of the day. So we have the moon card. Somebody has been an illusion. Somebody has been an illusion. They've kept secrets. Everything has been in the mystery. Somebody is having anxiety. So back to back, that Four of Cups coming out. Somebody is having anxiety. Why are they having anxiety, and who is having anxiety? Collective, y'all better not be tripping off nothing. Who's having anxiety? What is this Four of Cups? And oh, yeah, child. So with the Ten of Swords coming out, is somebody who betrayed you, collective, and that's what they thinking about. That is what they thinking about. That betrayal is killing them more than it hurts you. So tell me more, Holy Spirit. That betrayal is eating somebody as alive. That's not good. So tell me more, Holy Spirit, about the person who is thinking about betrayal. Betrayal. Two of Cups. So whoever this is, they are thinking about having love again with you. That's what they're thinking about. And on the bottom of the deck is the Knight of Cups. So this is the person that betrayed you, went to that damn third party. Shit wasn't sweet. And now they thinking about it. They thinking about everything they did. They dissatisfied with that third party. And they want to come back to you. Let me see if I can get more. This is possibly going into a part 2, or you're going to have to go to YouTube to get the rest, because the Ten of Cups is what they want. And the Knight of Cups came on out. Y'all don't even want to know what's on the bottom of the deck. I'm not even going to pull that out because I just want to see if it come out. So the betrayer wants love back with you. They want it all back with you. Tell me more, Spirit. Yep. The betrayer, the juggler, would like to come back and have it all with you. Man, they be realizing too late. That's too bad, but we'll see. Maybe you want them back. Tell me more, Spirit. Who is this betrayer? Who wants back in the collective's energy? Who wants back in the collective's energy? So we got the Six of Cups. So just like I said, they were thinking about you and wanting familiarity is the Six of Cups. They thinking about what y'all had, what y'all did. They want that back. After juggling, because they thought it was sweet on the other side. So, collective, what are you going to do? What is my collective going to do? Tell me more, Spirit. This person really heavily thinking about it. Yep. the Emperor, and behind that is the Ace of Pentacles. So this Emperor, now he want to respect you. Now he wants stability. Now he or she is ready to be structured and offer you the Ace of Pentacles. So that's abundance, manifestation, opportunities. They want an opportunity with you. On the bottom of the deck is the Temperance card. So this person may be balanced out. You are already balanced out. Let's see. What else do you have for the collective spirit? This has been the energy. This person has people who make mistakes. They ready to right their wrongs, I should say. Is this person trying to right a wrong with the collective? Tell me more, Spirit. 3 of Wands. Oof. And on the bottom of the deck is the Devil. So this person, Aries energy, they made some progress. This person is trying to change, but with the Devil card coming out, I don't know if they're ready. Underneath that is Justice. So they do want to right their wrongs. And I ask, do they want to right their wrongs? Justice is making things fair. So just like the energy that I was getting is that they want to make things right their wrongs. So that doesn't mean you have to go back or take them back, but forgiveness is what they're looking for, along with getting you back. So let's see. I'm going to switch decks and try and clarify exactly what it is, because this person obviously has worked on themselves. So let's see what Spirit has to say. Clarify the person that wants to right their wrongs with the collective. Holy Spirit, clarify the person that wants to right their wrongs with the collective. Yeah. So you guys had challenges. They've made the decision to work on inner healing. So this person that you were dealing with, they worked on themselves. Don't get mad at me. I'm just reading the cards. They worked on themselves. They changed, and they trying to come back and let you know that they changed. Spirit will clarify. Please clarify more for the collective. Any advice for the collective? Any advice for the collective moving forward with this person? What should they do? What is the outcome? What is the outcome? What is the outcome or advice? So the person is manifesting you back for sure. Uh, they're they're telling the universe, they're praying to God to get back in your energy. And when I say in your energy, that just means they're trying to pray to get back to you. So tell me more, Holy Spirit. Tell me more. Confession. Confession. Someone has to tell you something. Yeah. They want to tell you exactly what it is now. Because you went and you moved on from all of that illusion, all the lies and betrayal. Now they done thought about it. And I guess they really want to work on themselves and let you know that they worked on themselves and want to come back to you. Tell me more, Spirit. Okay. Nothing to say. No more cards coming out. Lets me know that this person definitely is headed your way and they want to come back. Yep. Let's see. Extra deck. Extra deck. Extra deck. Oopsie. Let's see. Any last words? Any last thoughts for the collective? One last card of clarification for the collective, Spirit. One last card for my collective. So, law, and order, authorities, court, legal. So, justice. This person wants to make everything right. They want a shot on the bottom of the deck. Union. I tell no lies. I just read the cards and let you know what the spirit has to say. They want a union. So that's the energy. The person you were betrayed by, who left you for a third party, dissatisfied with third party, thinking, praying, manifesting you back. They want a union with you. They want to make things fair. So you have been, Spirit has let you know what time it is. Have a wonderful day, y'all.